Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In Android learning series, in last lecture we have seen how we have inserted the code by using Room API in SQLite database. In this video, we will see how to display the record inserted by the insert button by using Room API in SQLite database. Now we will see how to display data from the SQLite using Room API or Room database. So here we have created a one function which is already created in the last video. This function will return the number of users we have inserted in user table, and the return type is list of user class object. Now for that we have to make a coding of display button. So set on click listener, new on click listener, and here we will make a coding of this. Before making coding, we are going to create a method that will display message or record on a screen using alert dialog box. So here I am designing a function that will display record using alert dialog box. Alert dialog dot builder. Here we have to pass the main activity reference. Now builder dot set title. Title is title which we are passing from the parameter, and now data we want to display. Set message. There is data which is we are passing as a parameter. Now we are making is cancelable, so we click somewhere on a screen and it's cancel. Now show the information on screen. So now I will use the same method here for displaying record. So for that we have to use the object of Room API db dot get do dot get user info. This method will return the list of information of user table. Users info is the object. Now we have to merge the record in string buffer. So that is my data. Now we are using for loop for reading user information from users info, and one by one we will display the record. But first of all we have to merge the data. So that is user id equal to plus user dot get user id, and then we have to make a slash n line break. Now data dot append. Now we have to pass the username, that is user dot get name, again slash n. Now data dot append. Now we are using password. Get pwd. Here we have to say double slash n because it's two line break for single record, and all record will come here. After displaying record, we have to pass the display message function which we have created. Here we are passing user information, and we are passing data. data dot toString. So this is the value which is come here, and it will display by using alert dialog box. So now we start the program. In last lecture also we have inserted some field also. So we click on this and it will display one record we have inserted in the previous class. Now if I want to insert more value, so I say 122, then name, then password, maybe anything, then insert record. What happened? Then uh, it is closed by mistake. So once again we have to start this. Now I have to give 122 ID and name, any name, whatever I want to give, then password, then I need to insert. It will insert record and I click on display. It will display two record now. So first is earlier record, second is a new which I have inserted just now. So these are two record available. Now once again if you want to insert, just change the ID, and same record we can insert, just change the ID, insert record. Now we have a three record available in this SQLite database using Room API. So you have seen that nothing to write a code, just by using the operations or method available here, we found the record available in SQLite database. Very simple in Room API. So in our next lecture we will see how to delete and update the record already available in it. Till then, see you, bye.